Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the file open in Drive and you're ready to act. Right-click the item and choose Get Link Now. Don't stop at the dialog. The reason is simple. Drive defaults to restricted, so you must change the link permission to make it public. Once the link panel opens, click the Access drop-down and select the appropriate role, viewer, commenter, or editor, and set access to anyone with the link to proceed. Now you'll change the audience setting to make the link publicly accessible. Click the Access option and pick anyone with the link, or public on the internet when that choice appears, because that's the only way to let users without accounts open it. Make sure to select Viewer if you don't want edits. This limits risk. Once done, copy the link shown and double-check the permission tag reads anyone with the link so you know the sharing level is correct. Finish by testing the link immediately in an incognito or logged-out browser. This confirms it truly is public. If you find the file is still restricted, check shared drive policies or your organization's admin settings. Those can override individual sharing and are often the culprit. If access is correct, distribute the link. If something goes wrong, change the permission back, notify your admin, and then reapply the public setting once the restriction is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.